So you've heard me talk about the $9 Smart Start Kit. I think it's what we're calling it. Or the digital kit, whatever. And you've heard me say how it's a great deal. You also know, if you know me, I'm always about that $99 kit to be able to get all of the products with it. And that kit this month comes with a candle, one of the candles, I think in cider mill, free with that kit, or while supplies last. In this case, though, I am really, really, really liking the $9 deal. I mean, we've had, little kits from time to time where it might have been a warmer and a bar for this or that or whatever. But the $9 kit, it's digital. Pretty much the whole world is digital these days in lots of ways. We have ways to set up, or this is what you do. I mean, you go out there to start your business and you set up a party. You start earning rewards. Maybe you have a bestie that might want to set up a party for you. Or you have your own. You set up your own. You earn the rewards for the free and half price products. But if you manage to get 500 PRV is basically dollar for dollar retail except for license. Those don't count as full PRV because we have to pay a licensing fee. But anyway, if you go out there and you join for $9, you sell 500 PRV in your first 15 days, you get a kit worth $300 for free. Okay, that's why I'm really all about this $9 deal this month. So if you're interested, go to join.swirlsensations.com or reach out to me so that we can get you started. I mean, and for former consultants, you get to start over. You can earn all of those goodies all over again, right? It's not like it's like your first time, your first rodeo. You can get the sensational start stuff, just like brand new people. You can get the shooting star, just like brand new people. We've never offered that for former consultants ever in my almost 15 years with Scentsy. Okay, so that is a magnificent deal. I would love to go back and earn all that stuff. I only hit level 2 of Sensational Start. I'd love to go back and try and hit level 3 and earn that warmer. They didn't have that back when I started. So anyway, if y'all have any questions, just ask. But it is a really, really, really good deal for $9. I mean, that's less than coffee for the most part. Have you seen the price of coffee these days? Which I make it at home. But anyway. So, if you have questions, just ask. But we do have the 3 kits this month. The $9, the $59, which is an Earn a kit. And then the $99, which includes a candle in addition to the other products while supplies last. Y'all have a great day.